Welcome to Three Things in 3 Minutes. And in this episode, we will look into key features in Notebook LM and we will answer the questions: how do I create my first notebook? How to create an audio summary? And how do I make it a study or a research partner? So let's get started. First, we know how to access Notebook LM. We can go to notebooklm.google and click Try Notebook LM. It will take you to the user interface from where you can click Create New Notebook, and then you can start uploading files. So I will be adding some resources relevant to some research relevant to metagenomics, a field that I am interested in. And then, there you go. Now you have added all the sources based on which you can ask questions, do different things, which we will look at in this guide. The second question we are going to answer is, how do I create an audio summary? So here in the studio, we can see the different options supported by Notebook LM: audio overview, slide deck, video overview, mind map, reports, flashcards, quiz, infographic, data tables. I'm going to demo, and in audio overview, we can create podcast. So a podcast sort of or an audio overview allows us to create an audio summary. Uh, so you can create a deep dive audio summary, a brief or a critique or a debate. You can set the length, short, default, or long, or we can prompt it to giving more detail about how we want it to be. And then it will create an audio summary based on the sources that we have uploaded. And what sort of things do we do with a study partner or a research partner? So we just look at how we can create summaries of the sources, or summaries of research papers or guides or documents that we are interested in. Another thing we would often do is we would like to brainstorm ideas. So mind map allows us to sort of brainstorm or see the overlapping ideas between the documents or the sources that we have uploaded. It is a very cool feature in Notebook LM. So I can click mind map, and then it will create a mind map based on the two sources that I have uploaded, showing how these different the two sources are connected. So it's helpful to understand. Okay, so in these guides, it talks about experimental design. So what are the different things they are talking about, and likewise, I can get into details, etc., etc. And we'll talk about some more features in the coming up episodes.